Hi, Mrs. St. John. I'm your child's AVID teacher. They've been with me now for 3 years. This is their senior year, the capstone of our AVID program. Hi, welcome to AVID. This is Mrs. St. John. I'm your child's AVID teacher. I've been their teacher for now, this would be the 3rd year. My program is really designed to help them be successful in college. We use high school to build their skills on critical thinking, and their senior year is their capstone year. You can see on screen my little Bitmoji, my electronic virtual classroom. A lot of our kids are going to stay in San Diego, so across the top right here are all of the links to the local San Diego schools. However, we do have our kids apply to 4 4-year schools. 10 schools total, 4 UC schools and 4 CSU schools. And then we'll pick some 2 private schools, because you'd be amazed, like if our kids can get into Harvard, Harvard will pay for them to go there. So some of the kids are like, I'm going to apply just for fun, and I encourage them to do that. The FAFSA is a free application for student aid, and our students, or all of our students, whether they go to community college, private, or public school, will be applying for that, because the government is willing to give lots of money to kids that apply for it and help make that school affordable for you. So kids know about this is Schoology, and they can access everything they want right here from the comforts of their own computer. So I don't know if you have any questions for me, but you're welcome to get a hold of me. My number is 619-401-4880. That'll be my classroom phone.
Campus is now closed. You must go to an after school.
Of course, we have that little interruption. I'm recording this at the end of the school day. But kids can use my virtual classroom to go take a college tour. Unfortunately, our kids lost out on going to the college tours because of the pandemic. The important thing is the kids can come to Zoom with us every day at 9:30. And then down in the bottom here, tutorial. We have tutorials on Wednesdays and Fridays, but not this, we didn't have a Wednesday this week because of Veterans Day, but Wednesdays and Fridays, and that's where we have college tutors that we pay for them to get help in all of their different subjects. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I love working with your kids. They've already stolen my heart. This is my 3rd year with them, so I'm looking forward to seeing what they choose to do in the future. Have a great night. Bye.